Hello, everyone. Everything I'm about to tell you has been checked and confirmed by the mechanics who are here in the shop with me right now. Some people who came in with this problem told us that the message appeared right after the battery died. They also mentioned that when the battery is low or gets discharged, the car's electronic modules start acting crazy, including the one that controls the electronic parking brake. That's why, before panicking, checking the battery is step number one. The good thing is that if the issue really comes from the battery, sometimes just charging it or replacing it makes the message disappear as if by magic. But if the alert is still there, then it's time to go one level deeper because a fault code may have been stored in the system. And those codes are like little notes the car leaves. The thing is, even if the problem is already fixed, the message stays until you clear it. Listen to this. To clear the code, you need to check the vehicle's wiring. It sounds boring, but the truth is Ford has several connectors and ground points that over time collect dirt or rust. And when that happens, the current doesn't flow properly, the module gets confused, and the message pops up. Now, if you recently worked on the brakes, changed brake pads, or had a mechanic doing anything in that area, the electronic parking brake system might need to be put into service mode. If someone did brake work without activating that mode, the parking brake actuator can get stuck or lose its orientation. So we recommend putting it back into service mode and then taking it out again. And here's something many people don't know. The wheel speed sensors have a lot to do with this too. When one of those sensors is dirty, damaged, or loose, the ABS module gets upset. And when the ABS gets upset, it starts throwing errors that affect the parking brake system as well. In short, everything is connected. If you've checked the battery, connectors, sensors, and cleared the codes, and the message is still standing there like a statue, then yes, there could be an issue with the electronic parking brake actuator or the EPB module. But don't worry, these cases are much less common. However, this part does require a shop because internal components need to be inspected. And here's one more curious thing. Some people who have come here told us that the alert appeared right after an OTA update. Those updates the car installs by itself. According to them, it's as if the car's computer got stuck halfway. And when that happens, only a shop with Ford's official software can unlock it. Not very common, but it does happen.